So we're almost ready to start designing some characters, but before we do that, we must learn some basic things about the head. The head is a whole topic on itself. You have two basic masses to play with, the cranium and the jaw. This is the realistic approach to a human head. Not all heads are the same, of course. You'll get some subtle variety on real people. But the point of cartoons is to exaggerate that variety that we find in nature. So for example, a cute character will have a large cranium and a small jaw, just like a baby. On the other hand, a heavy character will have a small cranium and a large jaw. See how we just created two very different heads with just a simple change? You can also use all kinds of shapes to create the heads. Go wild with this and try different things. There's also a third mass that you can play with, that's the hair. You can have a character with very fluffy hair, for example, and that can be the predominant mass of the head. Or you can also use the hair to add an interesting shape to the head. Also, if your character is going to be wearing something, for example, a hat or a helmet, that can be used as well to make an interesting shape or silhouette. So that's about it. We already played a little bit with the idea of exaggeration on this video, but on the next one we are going to dive deep into this concept. So, see you there!